our first series from Duck Duck Surprise, Magical Ducks. I bet you can't wait to see what's inside. This isn't just like any other box. These boxes were inspired by the bubble. We wanted to make something that was durable, water resistant, because if somebody left this out in the rain, we didn't want it to fall apart. These are collector's items. Now on the label, you'll see the series name, and on the front we included Finn. Finn is our dragon for this series. He is fiery and sweet. He's a cool little guy. On this side, you'll see Gregory the Griffin and limited edition Gideon. We're not gonna make him again. On the other side, you'll see Melody the Mermaid and Galewing the Flying Horse and Ciera the Unicorn. Oh, I can't wait to see who we get in this one. So let's open it up. If you give it a little squeeze, it comes out pretty easily. Now when I open it, I think this is my favorite part. Most cardboard boxes, when you're unboxing something, it's all white because they're printed on white boxes. Super boring. These actually sparkle and shine, making your bag look quite beautiful. We have a water resistant exterior finish on this dust bag, so it is super durable for any type of active lifestyle. The collector's part of this is this tag right here. You'll see that it's kind of like an aqua blue, and you take a look at the box as well, you'll see that they match. That's because this is the color that signifies this is the Magical Duck series. Let's find out who we got. I'm excited. The interior of the bag is satin, so it's quite nice feeling on the inside. Oh, we got the rare. We got limited edition Gideon. Oh, I'm so excited. He's one of my favorite ones. He's sparkly and purple, and he's just super fun. We did keep these in plastic just to make sure if these were left out in the rain that the collector's guide would stay dry and not get ruined. Oh, he's so cute. He's a sparkly purple duck. He is the Wizard, the limited edition. This is the only time that we will be selling him. He's made of rubber and PVC, and there's some cool details. You can see all the raised stuff of the stars. Each one of these has a clip, so you could clip it onto your bag, onto your keys. It also has the key ring for keys as well. So it's kind of versatile depending on what you want to do with it, which is really cool. I wanted to make sure that when we designed this, you could use it in a variety of ways. A lot of people have the rubber ducks and they're all over their dash, and that's just where they sit. But these friends, these cute little rubber ducks, they can come with you. And that's what's really cool about these. On the back, you'll see that it's pretty simple, plain PVC, and it has our Duck Duck Surprise icon there, signifying that this is a genuine charm. The collector's guide will tell us who else we could possibly get, even though we've seen it there, but it will tell us which ones are rare, ultra rare, and which ones are popular. So we know we got limited edition Gideon. So he's the ultra rare. He's glamorous and grateful for all of the sparkly things that he has. And Ciera, our unicorn, time with her is very precious. Finn, as we mentioned before, the dragon, he's fiery and sweet. Those two are our rare ones, Ciera and Finn. Galewing, Melody, and Gregory are our popular charms, so they'll be a little bit easier to find. I'm super excited we got Gideon on here so you guys can have a look of that. And then on the back, it just shows them a little bit more, but we're making waves here with these Duck Duck Surprise, a special twist on the rubber duck keychain, something a little bit different, a little more stylish and fun, but you can collect these, you can trade them, and they would make awesome gifts for somebody, whether they're a Jeep owner or just love rubber ducks or they actually collect them. People that love to have bag charms and decorate their bags. So let me go ahead and show you what we can do with Gideon. I'm gonna go ahead and put him on my bag right here. Super easy to clip on, just like that. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and open a couple more just to see who else we get. Let's see who's in this one. Ah, Gregory, our Griffin. He's the protector. I really like him. I could definitely see me wearing Gregory like maybe in Wyoming or Montana, somewhere with mountains, or in a beautiful wooded area. Washington or in Michigan where they have all of the pine trees, but I really like Gregory. I'm gonna put him over here. I'm gonna do one more. This one. Ah, yay! We got Finn. Ah, I love Finn. I think he goes great with Gregory. These two are such a pair. I think they work so well together. Their colors. And my favorite thing about Finn is that fire. I love the fire. He's a really fun guy. He's super sweet, but Finn, he's super quick to anger, so sometimes he gets a little fiery. We're working on that with Finn. We'll put him over here by Gregory. These little guys won't be around for very long, so be sure to get your hands on one of these. Duck Duck Surprise Magical Duck series and see who you find. I can't wait to come up with more as well for you guys. Want to know where you can find one of these cute magical friends? Go to our website, duckducksurprise.com. But hurry, they're not going to be around forever.